Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into an incredible piece of technology you won't want to miss. I'm super excited to share with you my hands-on review of the MZK, a 3L1800 printhead DTF printer. This device is packed with innovative features that are going to change the way you think about printing. From its high-speed capabilities to its ease of use and maintenance, this printer is a game changer. So, let's get started and explore what makes this printer so special. First off, let's talk about the cost savings. With the MZK A3L1800, you get 2 years of free ink and powder starting from 2025. That's right, you'll receive 5 bottles of 250 milliliters ink and 500 G of powder every 2 months, with just the cost of shipping to cover. This is an incredible value, saving you over $1,000 on supplies. Imagine being able to print to your heart's content without worrying about the cost of ink and powder. This feature alone makes the MZK A3L1800 a must-have for anyone who prints regularly. Another feature that really stands out is the one-touch ink fill system. No more messy operations or hassle when it comes to prepping your printer. With just one click, you're ready to go. This feature is not only convenient, but it also saves you time and reduces the risk of spills and messes. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, this feature makes it easy to get started and stay productive. The MZK A3L1800 is also designed for stability, with a dual-core upgrade that provides a safer and faster printing experience. The built-in motherboard fuse can prevent damage, and the upgraded motor ensures stable and high-speed performance even under heavy load usage. This means you can print with confidence, knowing that your device is built to last and can handle even the most demanding tasks. Whether you're printing for personal or professional use, this feature gives you the peace of mind you need to focus on your work. But what really impressed me about the MZK A3L1800 is its easy maintenance. The built-in 3-in-1 system continuously circulates, mixes, and cleans the ink, guaranteeing consistently smooth nozzle performance even during downtime. The integrated peristaltic ink supply and automatic cleaning eliminate residue and air, minimizing manual maintenance. This means you can spend more time printing and less time cleaning and maintaining your device. The preheating function and negative pressure ink suction membrane system also handle A3 and A4 sheets with ease, keeping the ink flowing smoothly and preventing jams. In addition to these features, the MZK A3L1800 also boasts a high-speed print capability, with a resolution of 2880 DPI and a maximum print width of 13 inches. This makes it perfect for printing high-quality images, documents, and other materials. The multi-material compatibility also gives you the flexibility to print on a variety of surfaces, from paper to fabric and more. So what does all this mean for you? It means you can print with confidence, knowing that you have a device that is designed to last, easy to use, and cost-effective. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just a hobbyist, the MZK A3L1800 is the perfect addition to your toolkit. With its innovative features, high-quality printing, and cost savings, this printer is a must-have for anyone who wants to take their printing to the next level. In conclusion, the MZK A3L1800 printhead DTF printer is an incredible device that is packed with innovative features and designed to provide a high-quality printing experience. With its cost savings, one-touch ink fill system, stability, and easy maintenance, this printer is a game-changer for anyone who prints regularly. So what are you waiting for? Find the link in the description below to get your hands on the MZK A3L1800 today and start printing like a pro. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to take your printing to the next level. Get ready to experience the future of printing, and thank you for watching.